Hello children, today we are going to learn to read. So reading in French is la lecture. La lecture. That's the title that we have given. So which means we are going to learn to read today. Okay, the first one what you see is a banana. So in French, banane. Banane. The next one, cerise. It's a cherry and we read it as cerise. The third one is a strawberry and we read it as fraise. Fraise. The fourth one is an asparagus and we read it as asperge. Asperge. Okay, the fifth one is a pastèque. Pastèque. Okay, the sixth one is pomme. Pomme is an apple. Pomme. The seventh one is a pear and we read it as poire. Poire. Okay, the next one is a radish and we read it as radis. Radis. The next one is a tomato and we read it as tomate. Tomate. The next one is an eggplant and we read it as aubergine. Aubergine. The next one is a carrot and we read it as carotte. The last one is the peas and we read it as petit pois. Petit pois. So I'll read it only in French now. Banane, cerise, fraise, asperge, pastèque, pomme, poire, radis, tomate, aubergine, carotte, petit pois. So you can practice this. So what we are trying to do here is to, of course, understand what it refers to, and then we are practicing only the reading. So work on your pronunciation, children. Happy learning. Bye-bye.